First we learn what is software development life cycle. A software development life cycle contains 9 phases. First one, collecting requirements from the client, analyzing the requirements, designing the project, coding, unit testing, building, deploying, the next testing and delivering the project to the client. In these 9 phases, you developer involved in the 4 phases. Number 1, coding phase, unit testing phase, building phase, and deploying phase. What is the difference between unit testing and testing? Unit testing means the developer testing after coding, developer only testing the project, whether it's working properly or not. Then we call it as what? Development. Next, this testing will done by the separate team called testers. Testers will do the testing work, like by using Selenium tool. Now, coding or unit testing phases comes under development, building and deploying comes under after development. In the development phase, you are writing coding for 3 purposes: UI development, programming, and database. Now, every project, then with this point, we entered into project architecture. Every project is divided into 3 parts. Number 1, UI, programming, database. As part of UI, we have 2 parts are there, forms and reports. As part of programming, we perform 2 operations, validations and calculations. Based on the validations, we will generate result. Based on the validations, we will throw errors. While doing validations, if we require some values from the database, we will interact with the database tables, get the data and then validate. And if you required any data from the database to do calculation, we will get the data from the database table and also do the calculation. And then final result is generated. Now, if we require to store the given inputs and result in the database table, we will store in the database table or directly send to the browser and display. If the given validations found, if the given input found wrong, validations found, the given input is wrong, then it will throw error, right? This is the flow of execution of the project and development. What we understood, olden days, this project is developed by separate members. UI developed by one team of developers. Programs are developed by one team of developers. Database tables are developed by one team of developers. The UI developers are called web designers. Programming developer team is called web developers. Database tables developers are called PLSQL developers. How many teams are there? 3 teams. First one is web designers. Second one is web developers, web designers, web developers, and then PLSQL developers. Now, olden days, when you are trying to get the job, you have to apply for the position, web designer position, web developer position, and PLSQL developer position. Three positions you have to apply. But nowadays, that story is gone. Look at here. We have, for developing UI, we have a one person called web designer. And for developing programming, we have a person called what? Web developer. And for developing database tables, we have another person called PLSQL developer. Now, there is no 3 positions. We have only 1 position in the industry. What is that? Full stack developer. This is only 1 position we have. Is it clear? Then, if you are trying for the job, you have to apply for the position full stack developer. Then you got the job as a full stack developer. Company will put you either in the UI development or in the programming or in the development. Any of the three parts it will place you. But in company you are not going to work on all the 3 parts. Any one of the part you are going to work. Company will decide you are good at which part, that part he will include. Next, then with this knowledge we come to know there is a role called full stack developer. What is the meaning of full stack? What is the meaning of full stack Java development? Okay, and now the project is divided into how many ends? Front end and back end. Full stack project has 2 parts, front end part and back end part. Now as a Java developer, you are working front end or back end? Back end. Okay. Then next, what is the syllabus of full stack Java development? We divided full stack Java development course into 5 modules. 3 modules are for project development, 2 modules for after development purpose. Then what is the full stack Java learning roadmap? We 3 levels are there. First, core Java, Oracle, HTML you have to start. After 45 days, advanced Java, DevOps and AWS you have to start. After 3 months, Spring Boot, microservices and React JS you have to start. All these three courses you have to learn parallel per day. It is very easy. If you say, sir, 3 courses can I understand, sir, my brain can I accept. If you say, question yourself. In childhood, up to 10th class, how many subjects per day you studied? 6 subjects. When you can study 6 subjects without confusion, after you completed BTech, why you are getting confusion? Oh, year by year, your brain is getting dead. Childhood only your brain working. Now as a BTech student, your brain already dead. Per day, how many movies you can watch and remember? Oh, so many movies. Okay, but come to the subject, come to the course, always you are giving instructions to your brain. What? Confuse, confuse, confuse. So tell to your brain, you are talented. Once you wake up, once you getting ready in front of the mirror, you tell daily, Arey, you are such a intelligent person, ra. Okay, per day you are learning 3 courses. Per day you are spending the time for practicing 3 courses and everything you remember. Wow, such a nice person, intelligent person you are. Tell yourself so that you will get confidence. Your brain will get confidence. Yes, I can remember. Yes, I can take it. You are getting job as a software engineer. In a company, you are developing big projects like Amazon, like HDFC Bank project, like, big, applications. You are developing every project. Zomato app you are using, Swiggy app you are using, every online app you are using. In future, you are going to develop. Wow, such a nice person you are. Okay. And in future you are going to become what? Software engineer, nothing but you are become IT scientist. Scientists are what they are doing? They are inventing something new. Oh, in future you are going to invent something. Wow, super. Then try to tell every day, you motivate yourself so that you will get confidence of attending multiple courses at a time. If any of your friends are telling one negative point, today class is very tough, how class can be tough? Why it is tough to you only? Why not tough for other person? How other people are responding in the class and answering? Why it is tough to you? And you are a lazy fellow. Not listen the class properly, not focused properly. You are sending your brain to somewhere else outside. And you are not practiced yesterday topic. You are not connecting to the lecturer what he is telling. Then what happened? Obviously, you don't understand. Then you'll feel class is tough. If you reply every word I am asking, when I'm asking some questions, if you reply to my questions, then automatically class become what? Easy. You should connect to the sessions. You have to involve in the session. You should make more session as interactive session so that no class, no topic is difficult. So if any of your friends are telling negative, saying that Java tough or this field is tough or this is very tough, he is a negative thought person. Try to cut the friendship with him. Without any second thought, stay away from that negative minded person until you get the job. After getting job, again you can do friendship with him because already you have a job and you have responsibility, you will continue. When you are stay with the negative people, you cannot grow in your life. Always stay with the positive people. You try to change him. If he is not allowing you to change, then immediately cut friendship and stay away from him. So you have to attend 3 courses per day, then only you can complete the course very fast and get the job very fast. And then when you are eligible for screening test, after core Java, Oracle, HTML, advanced Java, these 4 courses completed, then you are eligible to write screening test. And within 4 months from today, December, January, February, March. Okay, March, April. In the month of April, you are eligible for screening test exam to write. When you write screening test exam, 100% you will qualify, no doubt in that. Then you will be placed in the placement. April, May. In the month of May, you will start attending interviews. Okay, and if you learn everything sincerely as we are explaining the classes and assignments we are giving, if you complete, definitely in the first interview only you will get job. Your first interview will be the last interview. This is our HK Products slogan. Okay, first interview will be the last interview. Definitely we will get the job in the first interview only. So what is our target? In the month of, by end of April, we all should get a job in IT industry. Naresh IT is helping you for that. Naresh IT faculties are helping you subject. Naresh IT placement department is helping you for getting the job. Are you ready for it? Question yourself. Daily wake up and ask yourself, ready by April? Are you ready for the April? Are ready for the April? So by end of April, you should attend interviews, should get the job. So how many months maximum you have to work hard? 5 months. Just 5 months, if you work hard, all the people got the job with a salary of minimum 3 lakh per annum. If you work hard more, 5 lakh per annum also you can get. 3 to 5 lakh annum salary you can get easily. So change your mind, practice well along with us. Whatever assignments we are giving, work out and come. Is it clear? Right. So let us quickly write. Yesterday we decided to write notes. Quickly let us write these points because all these are new to you. Just by listening, you cannot remember. Please write down. Open notes. I know. Sir, we are BTech, sir. Dictating notes, what, sir, like LKG student? You are not a BTech student. You are a Java LKG student. Understood? You are a Java LKG student. Hope in childhood you remember, one time writing is equal to 10 times reading. One time you write, it registered in your brain. That slogan I strongly believe and I'll follow. You listen, read, you never remember. That's temporary. One time you write, it will store permanently. That's what my slogan. Open your first page. Open that. Especially offline students. This is your page, okay? Whatever I'm showing, this is your page. Here the corner of the page at top left, right top corner, write down there your name. Do what I'm saying, offline students. Right page top corner, write your name. Hari Krishna, my name. Don't write my name. You write your name. Down you write your mobile number. 9010454584. Hey, this is my mobile number. Don't write my number. Why? Tell me why. Why I ask you to write it? Tell me in your childhood also, whenever you buy a new book, immediately you are writing your name, number, section, all those things, na? Why? Because we are Gajnis. We forgot our books in the classroom. If name is there, we can call you and return. For that offline student, this is important. Now, come to the middle of the page. Here you write your course name. What is your course name? What is your course name? Core Java and Full Stack Java. Core Java and Full Stack Java. Tell me, just you are learning Full Stack Java or with project? With project development and interview preparation. Everything I will take care. Just you need to sincerely follow me enough. Making you successful in your life is my responsibility. Because your success is whose success? Only your success or our success? Our success. Okay? Your success is our success. Your parents' success. Your future children's success. That's why let's work hard. Now, in this course, you can take only admission for core Java or you can take admission for full stack Java. Your wish. Okay? There is no force that you have to take admission for full stack Java. But only core Java jobs are not there. If you learn only core Java, there are no jobs. Compulsory, you have to complete full stack Java development course. That's why take admission to full stack Java development so that core Java also will be included there. And fee will be less for full. If you take complete package, fees will be less. If you take each course individually, fee will be increased. Why unnecessary waste money? Write down, very important. By Hari Krishna. Write down. NareshIT Technologies. This is your first page. Okay? Place in box. Leave first page and go to next page. Leave that first page completely, go to next page. Write down. Software development life cycle. Heading, software development life cycle. Software development life cycle. Online students, everyone working? Today no questions, everybody silent. Can you hear me, online students? Okay, right. Software development life cycle. Every software or project, write down. Every software or project, every software or project, every software or project contains, every software or project development contains, every software or project development contains below 9 phases. Below 9 phases. Below 9 phases. Below 9 phases. Please write down these 9 phases. Completed? Write down. Completed? 9 phases. Write down. Next point. As a developer, we will involve in only, we will involve only in 4 phases. 4 phases. Number 1, okay, 4 phases: coding, unit testing, building and deploying. Building and deploying. Building and deploying. Next point. As part of coding, next point, as part of coding, we will write programs. We will write programs for UI, comma, programming, UI, comma, programming, and database scripts. And database, one minute, database procedures and functions. Database procedures and functions. Database procedures and functions and queries. Database procedures and functions and queries. Okay. Next, that's the first point completed. Software development life cycle and what is your part. Then next point. Project architecture. Next heading, second point, project architecture. Project architecture. Project architecture. Every project is divided into every project is divided into three parts. Every project is divided into three parts. Number one, UI. Number one, UI. In bracket, user interface. In bracket, user interface. In bracket, user interface. Second, programming. Third, database. UI, programming, database. Next item, UI. Next bullet point, under user interface, UI is responsible for read inputs from user, and sending to programming layer. Reading inputs from user and sending to programming layer. Gathering output from the programming layer and displaying to user. Okay, it is performing how many operations? Two operations. Reading input from the user, sending to the programming layer, gathering output from the programming layer and display to the user. Then how many parts are there in the UI part? Hence UI has two parts. For the two parts, forms and reports. Forms for reading input from user, reports for displaying output to user. Right. Next, programming section. Everyone understand a user interface, what is doing? Next, programming part. What programming part is doing? Programming is responsible for programming layer, can I say? Programming layer is responsible for reading inputs from the UI, generating results, throwing exceptions if inputs are wrong. We can call it as error or exception. Anything is okay. Okay? Error or exception. Sometimes we call exception, sometimes we call error. Okay, I'm adding one word here. If you space is there, right? Otherwise, repeat. Programming layer is responsible for reading inputs from the UI. Second, performing validations and calculations. Third, generating results with the given inputs. And fourth, throwing exceptions if inputs are wrong. Then basically programming has how many parts? 3 parts. Validations, calculations, and throwing errors. Validations to check given values are correct or wrong. Calculations to generate results. Throwing errors when wrong values are passed. Okay. This is programming section. Now, database section. Right. Next, database section. Database is responsible to store data permanently. Later, read, update, and delete the data permanently. Hence, database has 2 parts. Now, what are the 2 parts? Tables for storing data, procedures for performing operations on stored data. You have to by heart today notes completely. Can I expect tomorrow will you reproduce? I will ask questions tomorrow. Okay? Everyone should be able to answer in tomorrow class. This week classes are very important, which you are learning completely new. We are not learning from mathematics point of view, we are learning from project point of view. If you learn these points, then development will be, learning will be easy. Completed everyone? Can you write this diagram now? Yesterday we have learned this. Previous notes completed? Still writing? Right. Completed? Write down this. Project architecture or project. First, end user. Don't write arrow marks. First, you write all three layers: UI layer, programming layer, database layer. How many reports will be here? Result report and error report. Two different reports will come. Completed? Now tell me, what is the step numbers here, flow of execution? First step, end user interact with the form. Second step, the inputs are passing to the program. Third step, program performing validations and calculations by taking the required inputs from the user. Shivani, please use different browser, Internet Explorer. Okay, performing validations and calculations by interacting with the database table. Fourth step, generates result or errors. Then fifth step, stores the results in database. Okay, and sixth step, return that results to the browser or throw the exception whatever generated. Then seventh step, the results are displayed to the or results or errors displayed to the user. These are the 7 steps. Yeah, tomorrow you have exam, 15 marks question exam. Explain about software development life cycle and project architecture. Understood the question? What is the question? Explain software development life cycle and project architecture. So this is the question. You have to write full 15 marks question answer. Can you take it as a challenge? Will you take it? And sir, demo classes only you are asking me to write exam studying. What is this nonsense, right? Demo classes are not demo classes. Demo classes are means you are joining the course without doing the payment and taking decision whether to continue my course or not. Okay, but demo classes are also main subject only will be there. Clear my point? And what is the main subject of your entire career? Project architecture, software development life cycle and project architecture. Okay, right. So everyone written a step numbers. Then next, tell me, we got clarity on what is the project architecture, what you are developing in the project. Now we have to understand one important point. What is the, in olden days, people are having separate team members for everything. But nowadays we have only one team member. That person is called what? Full stack Java developer. Please write down this just steps. Don't write the diagram again. Arrow mark 2 here. Better let me write. Please write down. What we call this part is called web developer. Sorry, web designer. Web designer. Olden days we have one person or a group of people who will work what? Web designer. The next we have another person called what? Web developer. Another person called web developer. He is doing the development job. And we have another person called PL SQL developer. And he is responsible for performing database designs. Tell me now. This is what story? Olden days. Olden days we have separate developers for each layer. Developer. Okay. Now, how many developers we have now? Only one developer. He is called full stack developer. He only responsible for develop UI. He only responsible to perform programming. He only responsible to go for database also. All three developed by single person. So he is called full stack developer. Because companies are looking for one person who can handle all the things. More demand is there for full stack developer rather than web designer, web developer and PLSQL developer. This diagram will give you clarity on why full stack developer is having more demand now in the market. Written? Watching or writing? Completed? This one, full stack developer, web designer. Before I only written? Before I only, this all written? This is called the roles of these layers persons. Written? That much fast you written. Wow. Excellent, yeah. So you are guessing what I am going to teach next. Super. Shall I proceed with the next points? Now, write down. What is full stack development? What is full stack Java development? Right. The process of developing a complete project. The process of developing one complete project. End to end is called full stack development. Is called full stack development. And end to end means from the front end screens to back end database tables. Front end, middleware, back end. Every project has three parts or layers. Three parts or layers. Front end, middleware, back end. For example, Amazon.in. The project we are considering as Amazon.in. Developing full Amazon project is nothing but full stack development. Next, what is full stack Java development? What is full stack Java development? If we develop a project by using Java language and Java frameworks, we call it as full stack Java development. Tell me where Java language and Java frameworks will come. Front end, back end, middleware, middleware programs. Write down this. Front end UI screens are developed by using HTML React. H means HTML. Write down fully. HTML, comma React. Middleware programs are developed by using Java and Spring Boot. SB means Spring Boot. Write down fully. Spring Boot. Backend means database. Java database is Oracle. Java database is Oracle. Online students, everybody following? Okay, na? Now look at here, one small diagram. Can you understand this? Previous screen completed, na? If not completed, ask. I can go to previous slide. Right. If not completed, you can raise your hand. I can go to previous slide. Don't hesitate. It is your class. What the way you want learn, we can learn. Be open. Try to interact. Don't be silent. Don't sit silently. Who am I? Can you tell me once? Who am I? Who am I? Ayyo, answer, you forgot yourself. What is the difference? I mean, how you treating me? Am I your faculty? Am I your faculty? Are you treating me as your faculty? Say yes or no, Raghav. If it sits silently, then how can I understand your feelings? Am I your faculty? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Paka. Then you never learn Java. I am not your faculty. I am your super mega senior who learned Java 20 years back. Okay? If you consider me as your faculty, you cannot interact, because from the childhood up to BTech completed, teacher, faculty means what is there? Fear, na? Sir, sir, sir. Okay? Internal marks cut, that punishment, this punishment. The fear is there. Whenever you call me sir, I get irritated, because you are creating a big distance between you and me. Differences creating. If you call me sir, then started unknowingly fear will come. Sir, sir. You will get a fear. When you call me, Hari, then fear is there or not there? Not there. In a company, you should not call your seniors or team lead or team manager, even CEO of the company also, not the word sir. If you call sir, then you are creating a gap, big gap between the people. You cannot easily interact with your seniors. That's why in companies we have a culture, in IT companies we have a culture, you should not call seniors as sir, you should call them by their name. Remember, but there are some people who likes more calling them sir, sir, sir. When you call sir, they feel so proud. Wow, be careful. First you call them sir. When they look at you and say, right, who is sir? Am I teaching anything? No, I'm not sir. Then happily you can call that person by name. But when you calling that person sir and he's smiling, yes, tell me, then call him sir, fold your hands, respect, so that you will get more hike, more money, okay, more positions. So do bhajana, okay. In IT industry also you have to do bhajana. Bhajana means, you know, Hindi people, you should more price. Sir, you are that, you are this, super sir, bumper sir. If you call me sir, I'll get irritated, because the words are creating a big gap between you and me. You cannot come nearer to me, you cannot close to me, you cannot ask the questions freely. So that's why don't treat me as your faculty. I am just your super mega senior. I am your best friend. How much best friend? No, weekend I will come to parties also. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You can invite me. Okay. I am your, from the first day of our course till I passed away, I am your life friend, lifetime friend. Anytime you can contact me for any problem, any suggestions, you can contact me. I'll be available 24/7 online. WhatsApp number I already shared. Just now I shared in this video, 9010454584. This is my permanent mobile number. Any problem, subject wise, or if you face any difficulties in company, or you are facing any personal problems, any suggestions you want. For any kind of thing, you can ping me. I will respond to you. Okay? Don't consider me as your trainer or don't consider me as your faculty. I'm just your best friend who is giving you right path to learn the Java for setting your career. That's it, not more than that. Okay? Please remember that point so that you can slowly can interact with me more and can come to me closely and easily you can interact. And next, very important, when you are talking to me, when you come nearer and asking questions, please don't call sir. Try to call me as Hari or sir, 4 characters I cannot, and call me shortcut HK, enough. So that try to remove that sir mind, because I'm not treating you as a student, I'm treating you as a software engineer. I'm your team lead, you are my team members. I am here to train you how to develop the projects. That's it. That is our relation. Student faculty relation is a bad relation. Don't create in my classroom. This is my company. This is our training sessions, and you are my team member. I am your team lead. That's it. That's why I started the training with what? Project architecture, not with hello world program. Yes or no? Every Java training by every faculty, every YouTuber starts with what? Hello world. No, that is Jamana, college Jamana completed. You are here for software engineer. My training always starts with what? Project architecture. Then slowly we will go for programming one by one by concept. Every concept, every day, we will develop by taking one part in this project. Okay, today this part I want to develop. What are the concepts are required? How to write the logic? How to build the program? How to include with, how to connect with the previous layer? So this is the way our interaction will be there. That's why today dictated notes, if you don't by heart and don't remember, next classes will be confusion. Arey, what is happening? I am not taking the Java course from mathematics point of view. I am taking from project development point of view. That's why today class and its notes is very important. Is it clear? Right. Chalo. Now write down. Next one, very important. You just apply the point and tell me here. No need to write. Tell me, every project contain multiple screens, na UI screens. First screen always, yesterday I told you what? Home. Then following by sign up screen. Then following by sign in screen. Following by products displaying screen, product selection screen, products buying screen. Lot of screens will be there on UI part. Then when you click on home screen, Amazon.in, when you press, how this home screen is coming? That means background one program is there or not? That program is interacting with what? Database with the help of what? SQL, structured query language, and PLSQL procedures. Okay, just I'm writing SQL, but background procedures also will be there. Now tell me, when the end user open the browser, type Amazon.in, we are getting home screen. That home screen, how we are getting? It is background interacting with one program. That program interacting with the database. In the database, available data is retrieving, given to the program, and program sending that home screen to our program. Is it clear? Then next, on the home screen, when you click on sign up button and enter all the details of your username, password, email, mobile address, click on the sign up button, then all the details available in the sign up screen is given to whom now? Sign up program. Then this sign up program storing your data in one table, users table, okay, accounts table or whatever. Next day when you are signing in, then for signing in transaction to take care, background we have one program, sign in program. That sign in program again interacting with what? Database. Like that, as many screens you have in the UI, those many background programs will be there. Is it clear? Developing this all screens, all programs and all the database tables and connecting the UI screens program and SQL, everything together is called what? Full stack Java development or full stack Python development, full stack .NET development. What is changing from one full stack to another full stack? Is the front end changing? No. What is changing? Backend program part is changing. Is it clear everyone? Right? Write down next point. As part of full stack project development, as part of full stack project development, as part of full stack project development, we will have multiple screens in UI, comma, for each screen operations to perform, for each screen operations to perform, backend we have a program and a table, backend program and table, as shown in the below diagram. Look at here what you write. Full stack project. Please look at here, please. Full stack project. Full stack project divided into two parts. What is that? Front end and back end. These programs and a database also generally called what? Back end. Okay. Front end screens. For each screen background to transactions, one program. What is this? Home program. You can write fully. Home program, sign up program, sign in program. Okay. Right. Completed, Anna? Now tell me. Now I want to develop this entire project. What are the different courses I should learn? What is the syllabus of full stack Java? Next item. Full stack Java. Sriman, what do you want explanation here? This diagram. Did you join just now? Did you join class just now? Sriman, I'm not Dinesh. Okay. Okay. Every project contains what? Multiple UI screens. Then for handling the operations performing in each screen, background we have one program and that program will have background one table. Home screen is there, home screen, home program and home program based table. Now next sign up screen is there. Sign up screen data to store background we have one sign up program and then sign up accounts data storing purpose one table. Then sign in program purpose one more. I mean the same table will be there verifying the data. Like that, as many screens available in the UI layer, for each screen background, one program and its associated table will be there. So that is the meaning of this page. I mean, understood? Okay. Next item. Full stack Java development syllabus. Full stack Java development syllabus. Full stack Java development syllabus. Write down this first point. In every project we perform, two kinds of operations. In every project we perform two kinds of operations. Number one, development operations. Number one, development operation. Number two, after development operations. Development operations, after development operations. Now tell me what the meaning of development operation? Coding, in bracket, coding. What coding? UI, program, database, coding. Development operation means, in bracket, UI, program, database, coding. After development operation means build, deploy, test, share, etc. operations. Next one. We divided, next point, we divided full stack Java development course. We divided full stack Java development course into 5 modules. We divided full stack Java development course into 5 modules. Number 1, Java module. Number 2, database module. Number 3, UI module. Number 4, DevSecOps tools module. DevSecOps tools module. Number 5, AWS basics module. AWS basics module. AWS basics module. Okay, now down, you write each course, each module courses. Courses for development. Java module, 5 courses. Database, Oracle, 2 parts, SQL, PLSQL. UI module, 5 courses. You must know what you are learning. Remember, writing programs is secondary. First, you should know the syllabus, what you are learning, why you are learning. If you don't know syllabus, waste of the time learning course. 1 second, I want small correction here. Small spelling mistake there. Hibernate will be part of Spring Boot. You no need to learn Hibernate nowadays. In Spring Boot only, we have module ORM module. There only you will learn. Yes, daily same time. Daily classes timing is same time. 7:30 to 9. Completed? Can you by heart the syllabus? Can you remember all parts? You wanted to learn. So if you don't remember the syllabus, which course you are joining, next what course you are joining, you don't have idea. So compulsory, you must remember. Yes, you are completing in 6 months. Completed? Next. Full stack Java learning roadmap. Last slide. Yeah, including mini projects. Each module, end of each module, you are learning one mini project. Next, full stack Java learning roadmap. This is the most important slide. Everyone should write. Full stack Java learning roadmap. We can learn full stack Java in two modes. We can learn full stack Java in two modes. Number one, sequentially. Write down. Number one, sequentially. Number two, in parallel. Number one, sequentially. Number two, in parallel. Now tell me, sequentially, one course after another course, duration will be 1+ years. Write on that. One after another course, duration 1+ years. You should know the duration of the course also. In parallel, per day, 2 or 3 courses, 6+ months. Because cannot guarantee exactly term bound 6 months, because some holidays may come in the middle. So that's why 6+ months. Now tell me how many levels we are learning? 3 levels. First one, core Java, Oracle, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These 3, 1 level. After any one of these 2 courses, Oracle or HTML, any one of the course within 45 days or 2 months after completed, then you join advanced Java. Second course completed, DevOps tools. Third course completed, AWS. So parallelly to core Java, after core Java, around 70% completed. Parallel to core Java, you are going to learn advanced Java. If you feel, sir, it's very difficult for me to manage both means, you can first complete all 3 courses, then go for next. Archana, it's up to you, Archana. I am giving my plan. Based on your time, based on your learning capacity, you can choose. There is no force from the management. You have to learn 3 courses per day. We are providing our plan. According to the plan, according to your time availability and learning capacity, you can learn. And then, after advanced Java completed, all these 4 courses must complete. Core Java, Oracle, HTML, Advanced Java. All these 4 courses completed, then only go to Spring Boot microservices. Because Spring Boot is a framework, work with all these 4 courses. DevOps tools can continue parallel to Spring Boot, no problem. Then after a advanced Java, some DevOps or AWS completed, then go for React.js. My recommendation, freshers can try for the job after advanced Java completed. People who are searching for the job as an experienced person, You have to complete full project. I mean, full course. After completing full course only, you can go for job. Okay, because companies are asking questions from Spring Boot. Okay, down you write one statement. As a fresher, search a job after level 2 courses completed. Search a job after level 2 courses completed. What is the level 2 course? Advanced Java. Next, as an experienced person, search a job only after complete course finished or completed. After full course completed. As an experienced, search a job only after full course completed. Okay, now? Now I have a question. Tell me, when you go now hostel, your hostel friends will ask you, "Arey, what course you joined?" Now you will say, "I joined full stack Java." Then what is the meaning of full stack Python? What is the meaning of full stack data science? What is the meaning of full stack UI? What is the meaning of full stack .NET? Okay, na? These are the trending words in Amirpet market. Every day you are going to hear. There are totally 5 different UIs are, 5 different full stacks are there. First one is always evergreen. No one can replace. No one can dominate. Any new courses are coming, just they are coming and going. So evergreen course is what? Full stack Java. Next to full stack Java, everybody is feeling that full stack Python. Full stack Python I don't recommend, even though I am against management telling the statement. Full stack Python I don't recommend. Full stack data science I will recommend. Okay, 2 courses, full stack Java or full stack data science. You are learning Python not for application development. There are no application development by using Python. We have machine learning data science application development by using Python. AI tools development by using Python. To develop AI tools, what after Python, what you have to learn? AI. Tell me, in academics also, you have CSC specialization with machine learning and AI. There is no specialization with Python, specialization with Django, specialization with what? Data science and AI. So you don't have jobs on Django, you have jobs on data science. People who are learning Python, they have to go next level what? Data science, machine learning and AI. So first full stack is always recommended. Easily you can get the job with less knowledge, less experience, less mathematical knowledge. Full stack Java. Sir, I am so much talented of data analyzation, sir. My brain is always analyzing, sir. My brain is always good at mathematics, sir. Then go to full stack data science. Both are having equal priority, and Java has one step edge. Okay, now 1% edge means 1% quickly you can get the job on Java side, and your Java job is always secured. You never get precision problem in Java platform. Sir, Java, Python, all these are programming, sir. My brain not that much capable, sir. Then go for UI. Third option is what? Full stack UI. Full stack UI. It contains React, front end is React, back end is Express.js, Node.js, and MongoDB. And the bad thing is nowadays, people are feeling that UI doesn't have programming, but unfortunately, JavaScript, React, Node.js is also contains what? Programming. I catch my point. That's why UI full stack is started. Okay, UI full stack is a little easy, but not completely easy. And also using Node, also by using UI, some projects are there, but less number of opportunities are there. You want huge opportunities and more chances of getting job and shifting from one company to another company. Choose full stack Java. Okay, no sir, now the trending is Python data science. I want to try it. Then go for Python full stack data science. Okay, Python plus data science, machine learning, AI, and MongoDB. Sir, I am not that much talented of programming. I am very good in design, sir. Front-end screens, colors and fonts, everything I can apply good. I am that much talented. Then choose what? Full stack, UI. Then when a .NET is having, there is no hike and a more hype is not there, less hype is not there. It's equally it is going. Okay. Now you are the lover of .NET framework, then you can choose full stack .NET Core. Okay. .NET also we have jobs. Okay, but less number of people are learning .NET. I don't know why. People are not choosing .NET, but it's a Microsoft company product. It is having good openings also. So totally we have how many full stacks are there? 5 full stacks. In that, the first priority to Java, second priority to data science, third priority to UI. Then why I have written this order? Because these are the invention order. First, Java Spring Boot is there, then Python Django is there, .NET ASP is there, and next full stack Express Node.js, and now people are started learning data science. Okay, tell me, all these backend tools, front end should be there, na? The front end is always developed by using HTML, CSS. That means HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React, how many times you have to learn? One time. This one time learning will be applied to Java or Python or C# or Express or and also data science. Anyway you go, front end is what? HTML, CSS only. Okay, please write down quickly. We have totally 5 full stack developments. We have totally 5 full stack developments. We have totally 5 full stack developments. And tell me, what is the difference from one full stack to another full stack? Front end or back end language? Back end language. Write down this slide. So this is the first level of learning. Okay, if you remember today notes, this first level of learning, then now we can start core Java. Tomorrow class is purely on core Java. Core Java syllabus, what I am teaching as part of core Java. First we will understand first 5 minutes core Java syllabus. Then next following by first chapter introduction to Java. What is Java? Why Java? Java is called platform independent programming language. Java is called object oriented programming language. What is the meaning of it? Then to develop Java program, what are the different softwares are required, from where I can get an install, and then following by what are the different programming elements required to develop a Java program, what are the different programming statements are required to develop a Java program, and then we will develop first high level program. Okay, so that's what our next coming 2 days discussion. So all people are comfortable up to these 3 classes. In these 3 classes, what we got? We come to know the clear picture on what you are going to do in the software industry. Okay, requesting everyone, today notes all the people try to read. Compulsory you have to by heart complete notes. Okay, tomorrow I want you apply this entire knowledge on one project, live project. Will you apply? Already I explained all these points by using Amazon project now. Now again same points I want apply on another project. Everyone should tomorrow involve in the project questions. Clear? Please practice everything by heart. Imposition right, 5 times imposition. In childhood you study na A for apple, B for bat. Okay, like that by heart. Project architecture. Project has how many layers? Each layer what is doing? How many parts are there in each layer? Okay, what is the project flow of execution step numbers? Okay, olden days 3 different developers are there. Nowadays we have only one developer. He's called full stack developer. All these points try to by heart and come. Thank you. That's all for today class. Good night. Good night. What are you doing going to room? Eating different? Sleeping only, na? Because for 7:30 to 9, 1.5 hours you work very hard, no? Now next time is what? Sleeping time. Don't sleep, practice and come. Good day. Have you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Yeah. Almash, you will get recorded videos. Further, you have to pay extra fees. Okay? Online students, do you have any questions? Vishal, Java is easy to get the job. Archana, you can unmute. Screen test exam pattern is MCQs.
I don't know if anybody else is going first. Can I go, HK?
Can you speak louder?
Yes. Okay. HK, each course that we are taking, right? Like let's say Java, database, or something else, UI. How long is it? Each class is 1 hour, 30 minutes?
Mic మార్చుకున్నా కదా మార్చలేదు.
Okay. Am I audible or no? వినిపిస్తుందండి?
Now audible.
Okay, fine. Each class duration ఎంత ఉంటుందండి? So 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour?
Yeah, 1.5 hour to 1 hour 45 minutes.
Irrespective of core Java or UI or
No,
databases?
every course, course, whatever you are attending, it will have 1 hour 45 minutes.
Okay. తర్వాత
That
like
means 2 hours slot. Every course will be 2 hours slot. In that 1 hour 30 minutes to 1 hour 45 minutes class discussion will be there, and 15 minutes doubts clarification will be there.
Okay. If rough అండి, just very rough, being if I am honest at my side, if 2 courses we take instead of 3, approximately 8 months.
Yeah.
Okay. Next thing,
Simple. Each course will take 2 months. 2 months to 3 months. Okay, maximum 3 months. Now if you attend 2 courses, then you can 2 courses, 2 courses, 2 courses. How many are there totally? Each course you take 3 months. Then how much time it's taking, you can count.
Got it. I don't want to do sequentially, but still, okay. 2 I think I can take.
Okay,
Next,
na?
ఇప్పుడు
Including
మనకి
holidays, everything, consider each course is 3 months. In
Okay.
I mean, what is worst case 3 months. So
Okay.
each course 3 months after, 3 months after you count, finally you can find what the total time it will take.
ఓకే. మనకు రాజేశ్వరి అడ్మిన్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఫర్ వాట్ అండి?
What is?
ఇప్పుడు రాజేశ్వరి అడ్మిన్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇచ్చారు కదా! లైక్ హర్ కాంటాక్ట్ నంబర్ ఫర్ వాట్? లైక్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వి అప్రోచ్ ఫర్ ది అడ్మిన్ అండ్ మీ దగ్గరికి ఎప్పుడొస్తాం?
Yeah, I will
అడ్మిన్
tell you
దగ్గరికి
tomorrow. Don't
ఎప్పుడెళ్తాం?
worry.
ఓకే.
I'll give you details tomorrow.
అండ్ రికార్డింగ్ క్లాసెస్ అన్నారు కదా! లైవ్ క్లాసెస్ కాకుండా ఐ నో ఐ హావ్ గాట్ అంటే ఒక ప్యాకేజ్ వచ్చింది. సో, దాంట్లో లైవ్ ఉందా లేదా అని చెప్పలేదు. లైక్ షుడ్ వి ఆస్క్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా ప్లస్ లైవ్?
No. Every course is a live course plus recordings.
ఓకే. సారీ. ఐ మెంట్ నాట్ లైవ్. ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా ప్లస్ రికార్డింగ్స్ అని అడగాలా అండి?
That's what plus recordings means. It's a live course. For example, you take my class. Now currently it is a live class now.
రైట్.
Every class is recording, and the recording, if you want separately, you can also get it by paying extra money.
ఓకే.
Understand?
యెస్. I don't have any further questions.
Okay, thank you.
థాంక్ యూ అండి.
Kiran, we are covering up to 17. 17. చెప్పండి.
प्रॉब्लम है हम लोग पीछे डाउट है वही कारण कि सर यहाँ पे दो लोग कोर्स स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो फुल स्टैक जावा डेवलपमेंट का प्लेसमेंट असेसमेंट सर इसमें दो में हम लोग को अंतर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है सर
Yeah, I'll explain. Give me 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll explain. Aman Singh, each class timing is different. Core Java timing is 7:30 a.m. Oracle course timing is evening 4 p.m. HTML course is not yet started. Okay, HTML course next week will be announced. The timing will be different. Priyanka, which internet connection means? I didn't understand your question. Sriman, visit NareshIT.com. Sorry, visit NareshIT YouTube channel. There you have all recorded videos of first 3 classes, including today. Visit YouTube NareshIT channel. Go to YouTube, search NareshIT. Okay? Thank you guys. See you all tomorrow. Which is source used for connectivity? Source means what? Priyanka, are you asking? She left. Okay guys, see you all tomorrow.